Hope you're doing great. Welcome to India Invest Now. Today we are going to talk about fixed income investments. So during the course of this video, we will cover the following. First, what is fixed income? Second, why fixed income investments are needed? Third, what are the types of fixed income options that are available to you? And fourth, how you can see what is the best rate you can get for your fixed income. Okay, so let's get started. First question, what is fixed income? So as the name suggests, fixed income investment approach is an approach where you invest a certain amount for a certain period of time at a fixed rate of interest, and you get return and your capital back at the end of that duration, and your capital is preserved. So capital preservation is one of the most important things that is a part of fixed investment, and you invest your money at a certain rate and you get returns according to the rate that you invest. Okay, why fixed income investments are needed? Well, many people would say that fixed incomes are not, investments are not good because you don't get good returns. Because recently the interest rates went down and now the interest rates are coming back up, but many people argue that fixed income investments don't give good return. See, the part of this product that is most appealing is capital preservation, and fixed income are not defined to give you very good returns like equity mutual funds. So fixed income, you get defined returns and your capital is preserved. So fixed income should be part of your investment allocation at all times. And you could ask me why fixed income are needed. So I talked about emergency funds in my previous video. So your emergency funds can be parked in fixed income instruments. So your emergency funds are ready, but they are still giving you some returns which you can use elsewhere, or maybe you can spend them. You can have some expenses that you are coming up in the near future, maybe in the next 6 months. You can park that money into fixed income investments. Or you're going to buy a house in 2 years from now and you're trying to save money for that. You can park that money in fixed income investments. So what will happen is, along with your base capital, you will have some interest that will get added up to that amount, and you might have more money to do a down payment for the house. Or you might be a retired person and you got a good money because for your retirement. So you can invest your retirement money into fixed income instruments, and what will happen is you will get a fixed rate of interest. So you will have a monthly income based on the interest rate for which you have invested in. So I hope you would have understood what's the use of fixed income instruments by now. Okay, let's talk about what are the fixed income products that are available to you. So first product is you can have deposit with the bank. Second option is you can have a company deposit. Third option is you can invest in bonds. And fourth option is you can look for a small saving schemes. So now I will explain all these options one by one. First, fixed deposit with the bank. As the name suggests, you invest your money for certain duration at a fixed rate of interest with the bank, and bank provides you return based on the duration for which you have invested in. So this is the most commonly used option because everybody has a bank account. And bank account is not for all banking needs, as you know, and generally you get your salary or income in the bank accounts, and that is the reason many people start with fixed deposit with the banks. So if you see this snapshot on the video, you can see various banks and the interest rate provided by them. So first option we have discussed, which is fixed deposit with the bank. Second option is company deposit. So like you deposit your money with the bank, in company deposit, you can deposit the money with certain private companies and they provide you return at a fixed rate of interest. Generally what happens is company provides higher rate of return than the bank deposits. The reason being because this allows companies to raise money from the market at a rate which is lower than the bank loan rate that they can take, and this also avoid, like this way the companies also avoid going to the bank to get a loan. So second option is company deposits. Third option, bonds. In bonds also, you invest your amount at a fixed rate for a fixed time with government or government companies. If you see the snapshot, you are seeing that amount is being invested with Government of India or National Highway Authority of India and Rural Electrification Corporation. So these are all government companies and the government. So this way you can invest in these companies, the bonds as well. Now the rate of interest, if you see, is around between 6 to 8%. Last option and not the least option is small saving schemes. So government of India has started a lot of small saving schemes, and you can use this option to invest your amount for a specific period of time to get an interest on it. And if you see what are the options here, so you have got National Saving Certificate, you have got Provident Fund, you have got Post Office Time Deposit, and Post Office Monthly Income Scheme. And the rate of return, if you see, it's pretty good, it's over 8%. So these are the 4 options that you have for your investments in fixed deposits and you have investment into fixed income instruments. Again, I will repeat. So these are the 4 options that you had for investment into fixed income instruments. First option was a fixed deposit with a bank. Second option is a deposit with a company. Third option was buying the bonds. Fourth option was that you can invest in small saving schemes. Okay, next. So what happens is, okay, I tell you that you have these 4 products available. You have these products available from various banks. You have these products available from Government of India. Now you know all the products. But you want to see where you can find the best rate of interest. So for that purpose, you can see the link that I'm sharing along with the snapshot here. So you can see that this is the way you get on moneycontrol.com the best rates that are available for your fixed income instruments. So you can check this link and you can figure out when you are investing what is the best rates that are on offer. Also, I also want to talk about a very important thing that you see in this picture. You see that every deposit has been defined with a group. Then you have got type, then you have got interest rate, then you have got period, and then you also have defined as the tax status. Generally what happens is the tax status for a small savings scheme is like for tax saving purposes. So when you are investing in a fixed instrument, you can check here which product is for tax saving and which product is taxable. So if you're looking to invest for tax saving purposes, you can look for fixed instrument which are providing you tax savings. And if your purpose is not saving the taxes, you can invest in the product where you don't need to save the tax. That's it for fixed income products. Hope you like the content. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and we'll bring you more such content. Thank you and happy investing.